Welcome to Amherst. I'm Jonathan Friedman, chair of the Physics and Astronomy department. We offer rigorous majors in both disciplines. We have opportunities for active participation in cutting-edge research. We strive to be a welcoming and inclusive department where students feel a sense of belonging and share a passion for our scientific disciplines.
Physics and astronomy are concerned with the laws that govern the behavior of objects in the natural world. These objects range in size from the tiny quarks that make up fundamental particles like protons and neutrons, to clusters of galaxies in the distant universe. The tools that we employ to interrogate fundamental questions like what happens to matter as temperatures approach absolute zero, or how common or rare are Earth-like planets, include experimentation, observation, calculation, and computation. Many of our students go on to work in fields directly related to physics and astronomy, but an equal or larger number apply the tools and techniques that they developed during their undergraduate education to a range of related fields, including engineering, medicine, journalism, teaching, and data science. Physics and astronomy are for everyone. They require no special prerequisite knowledge or skills, just an interest in how things work and a willingness to be challenged.
What course should I take this fall? It's the most common question we get this time of year. You could explore space and time and motion in Physics 123, the Newtonian synthesis, catch the wave and look at light and sound and vibrations of all kinds in Physics 125, oscillations and waves, look at the sun, the moon, and the stars in Observing the Sky, Astronomy 110, or you could look in depth at stars and how they're born, live, and die in Astronomy 228, Introductory Astrophysics. Which you choose depends a bit on your interests and a bit on your high school coursework. If you've already had a semester of calculus in high school, Physics 123 is usually the right choice for you. It's the gateway course to the physics and astronomy majors and really sets up the framework for the rest of the courses that you would take. For those of you who have had a semester of physics with calculus already, you should think about Physics 125 or Astronomy 228. If you haven't had any calculus, that's fine. Start with Astronomy 110 and take Math 105 or Math 111. In fact, everybody should think about taking the next calculus course for you because many courses in physics and astronomy require 2 or 3 semesters of calculus. Please take a look at our website for specific information about prerequisites. There, you can also find a student handbook that includes things like recommended paths through the physics or astronomy majors. We also have a placement exam that can help you decide which course is right for you. Please feel free to contact us with any questions, and we look forward to having you in a class this fall.
One of the strengths of our department is its integration of research and teaching. I'm an experimenter, and I can tell you that the students in my lab aren't just helpers. They play essential roles in designing experiments, taking and analyzing data, and presenting their results at conferences and in journal articles. Currently, the faculty are working on projects in astronomy, astrophysics, atomic physics, condensed matter physics, biophysics, statistical physics, and high-energy physics, just to get started. We have nationally and internationally recognized research programs that embrace everything from the extremely cold to the highest energies attainable, looking for the time evolution of fundamental constants, new tools for quantum computing, how DNA folds, or for planets beyond the solar system. Our projects often involve on-site research and are brand new and state-of-the-art laboratories. But I should add that there are also projects where there are opportunities to work off-site at a major facility like an observatory. Many students also do summer research internships here or at places like Caltech and CERN. And later on in your time, you might want to write a senior thesis. But hey, that's way in the future. There are plenty of opportunities to find the kinds of research you might be interested in long before then. You can talk to us anytime about the possibilities.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or any of my colleagues. Good luck in your first semester at Amherst.